What's up, peeps? This is Todd and welcome back to my show. Today we are taking an exclusive look at Patrick Bet-David's new $23 million mansion. So sit back, relax, smash the like button for the algorithm because the tour begins in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that house was absolutely stunning. I think my favorite part was the home gym. After this whole quarantine mess, I definitely want to get a home gym in my own house. But I don't think I personally would ever buy a house this flashy. So even though this is an incredible, just like amazing home, I personally don't think I'll ever buy something this over the top. But yeah, I gotta give credit where credit's due. Patrick Bet-David is incredibly successful and he just bought this trophy house and it's everything he ever wanted. So congrats to you. And I hope everybody watching enjoyed the tour. Peace.